First snake of the year. It's gonna get you. Don't go in the street. Don't go in the hole. Get on the grass. If it bites me, I'm gonna be so mad. Oh! Whoa! Well, I don't want you to bite me because I get bitten by you and it kind of hurts. Get the tail. Oh, okay. No, go in the hole. Go in the hole. You're really ruining my walk right now. All right. Okay, just a little bit. I'm just gonna put a little pressure on your body. Oh, I didn't put pressure. No, go that way. Go this way. Go up, go up, go up. People are probably like, what the heck is she doing? Get up there. Up there. Good. Good job. Bye-bye, little snakey. Go. Shoo. Go faster. All right. Saved a snake.